was cute.
Now that I'm nice and moist.
So don't
Is there any
go
more
so high.
jerky?
Nick, how do
You did not just...
Oh, Nick.
Nick, I know you didn't come to my place of living and eat my last bit of jerky.
Get stuck.
What? Clear! Clear. Got him.
Oh, don't.
Oh. Yeah.
He's on.
Miss.
Is this 2 3/4?
Right.
2 3/4, yeah.
Ooh, ambidextrous. Is that what that is? Yeah.
Yell it, Nick. Oh! Hey, somebody got that last one. I got that.
Just one going up.
I'm out.
It's going way out. Let's see if you guys can do distance. Ready?
Pull!
Ooh, who was that?
Didn't even shoot.
Was that Logan?
Ready? Yeah, gotta go low and far. Can you go low and? Yeah.
How'd your phone miss?
Pull!
He still got it.
Did you hit it?
Yeah.
Good, you ready? Yeah. Going high. Got it.
Pull.
Nice! Woo! Somebody yell it. Pull!
Right, Walshy.
Pull! Oh, that's gonna work. Where are they landing?
I'm looking. Which one are you shooting at?
Third one in from the left.
Alright, shoot again. A little bit low. Hit it. Direct hit. Nice. Target down. Trudging through the snow. Trying to get me these bottles. Oh, this one got the top shot right off. Oh, clean 5.56 entry wound. Typical 5.56 exit wound. Today was a good time.